Today we're going to learn all about using illustrations to help us understand a story. But before we get started with today's lesson, you will need a partner. Pause the video and go find a partner now. Welcome back. You and your partner should be sitting elbow, elbow, knee to knee, iPad in the middle so you both can see. Remember the rules for listening. You both need to look at the iPad. Stay still. Don't get up and walk away during the lesson. And also, you want to think about what's happening. So make sure you're quiet so you both can hear what's happening. Did you know that good readers use illustrations to help them understand what's happening? That's right. They look at pictures for clues to help them better understand the events or what is happening. Sometimes we don't realize how important the pictures or illustrations are when we're reading. So today we are going to do something a little bit crazy. I'm going to read a story to you, and you are not going to get to see any of the pictures or illustrations. You're just going to listen. Then, when the story's over, you and your partner are going to have to answer some questions. Are you ready? Are you listening? Let's get started. Today's book is called Bear Gets a Hat by John Benacci. I have to get a hat. Will you come with me? Yes. Here we go. Do you like this one? That is not a hat. That is a duck. Do you like this one? That is not a hat. That is a turtle. Do you like this one? That is not a hat. That is a cupcake. Do you like this one? Yes, I want one. Here you go. I like it. That's the end of our story. Now I'm going to ask you some questions about the story. You and your partner will pause the video to answer each question. I have 4 questions for you. Question number 1. Who are the characters? Pause the video and tell your partner who the characters are. Welcome back. Were you a little confused? Question number 2. Where is the setting? Pause the video and answer the question with your partner. Welcome back. Were you a little unclear as to where the setting was? Question 3. Who is Bear talking to in the story? Pause the video and tell your partner. Welcome back. I bet you didn't know who Bear was talking to, did you? Question number 4. What kind of hat did the characters like at the end of the story? Pause the video and tell your partner. I bet you didn't know the answer to some of those questions, huh? That's why the illustrations are so important. This time, I'm going to let you see the pictures. and ask you the same 4 questions. And I bet if you pay close attention to the illustrations, you'll be able to answer all 4 questions. So let's try it again. Bear Gets a Hat by John Bianchi. I have to get a hat. Will you come with me? Yes. Here we go. Do you like this one? That is not a hat. That is a duck. Do you like this one? That is not a hat. That is a turtle. Do you like this one? That is not a hat. That is a cupcake. Do you like this one? Yes, I want one. Here you go. I like it. Okay, did you use the illustrations to help you understand the story? If so, you'll be able to answer these 4 questions when I ask them again. Question 1. Who are the characters? Turn and tell your partner who the characters are. Did you say bear and bird? Give your partner a high five and say, "Good job, friend." Number 2. Where is the setting? Where did the story take place? Turn and tell your partner. Did you say outside in the woods or in a field in the grass? If so, great job looking at the illustrations. Give your partner a high five. Question 3. Who is Bear talking to? Turn and tell your partner. Did you say bird? If so, give your partner a high five. Question 4. What kind of hat did the characters like at the end of the story? Turn and tell your partner. Did you say a red winter cap? If you did, great job looking at the illustrations. Give your partner another high five. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about illustrations. Next time you read a book, make sure you look closely and carefully at the illustrations. You can find clues to help you understand what is happening.